The SafeStep Gate is available in black and white and covers all sizes from 68 centimetres up to 159 centimetres. It is a pressure fitting gate and it comes with some fantastic features. It has an easy close system which pulls the gate back into position. It has an all options gate stopper. This means the gate can be restricted to open on either side. So simply turn this round and click it into position and the gate will not close past that way. You can do the same with the other side. So when the gate only opens this way. The SafeStep Gate is tested to the EN standard EN 1930 for safety barriers for inside the home. The key features of the SafeStep Gate is the actual profile bar at the bottom. This is an exceedingly low profile bar with a lovely smooth finish, making it safer to walk through, reducing the trip hazard. You can step on it as you walk through. It's a much better safety feature. The other key feature of the gate is the gate comes in 5 sizes from 68 centimetres all the way up to 103 centimetres. Now as the gates get wider, so does the doorway. Now this means that when you're going through an extra wide gate, one of the larger sizes, the frame is still small on the outside, but the actual doorway width is a lot bigger, and you can even with the wider sizes walk through with a buggy. When you receive your SafeStep Gate, you'll receive the following items. The gate, 4 spindles with hand wheels on, and the hand wheels get wound so the smoother side with the notches are on the spindle edge. You'll also receive 4 bungs, 2 smaller ones for the top, 2 larger ones for the bottom. You'll receive some adhesive pads and wall cups, and in case you're fitting onto a wall with an uneven surface or loose wallpaper for example, we also provide a set of screws and raw plugs just in case. The useful additional tools would be a spirit level to ensure everything's straight, a pair of scissors to cut the cable ties, a pencil to mark when you're fitting, and obviously if you do need to use the screws and the plugs, then you'll need the appropriate tools for that. To install your gate, we follow the assembly instructions. First of all, we take the 4 bungs. So we start with the 2 top bungs. The slot goes at the top there, and it just slots into position, and the same on this side. We then take the 2 bottom bungs with the hole at the top and slot those into the 2 corners. We then take the 4 spindles and slot 1 spindle into each of the bungs. We will now put the gate into position where we want to fit it, just so we can mark where we're going to secure the wall cups. So we put the gate first of all into position at the top and the bottom, and then at this stage we just put it loosely into position, and then we'll use our spirit level to ensure that both of the verticals are correct. We can also check that the top from corner to corner is also correct. When we are happy that the gate is exactly where we want it, we use our pencil or pen just to mark where we're going to be fitting the wall cups, and we'll do this in all 4 corners of the gate. Once we've marked all 4 corners, we simply remove the gate for now, and then we'll be sticking the wall cups into position. To do this, we provide a 3M double-sided tape. So first of all, peel off one side of the backing and stick this onto your wall cup. And what you want to do is you want to hold this in position to get the best bonding as possible. Then you want to remove the other side of the backing and simply stick the wall cup where you've marked the positions, and you'll repeat this 4 times for the 4 spindles. When putting the wall cups into position, we recommend that you apply pressure to the pads for approximately 1 minute. This will enable the development of the adhesives and bond strength. Once your 4 wall cups are in position, we simply slot the gate into the wall cups, top and bottom on both sides, and then we'll do the final adjustments. As we tighten the hand wheels at the top, again we're looking to get equal pressure across all 4 spindles. So I'm quite happy with this side that it's the same distance approximately as the bottom. So I'll start turning this one. Now you'll see that as we start turning this hand wheel, the red marker will disappear and it will turn to green. And we're trying to get to a position where there's a gap of approximately 1.2 to 1.7 millimeters between the gate and the frame. And the indicator is now fully green. So the gate is now installed and ready to use. We simply cut the cable tie. We can double check everything's in position, and it is. And the gate will open up and be ready to use.